All right, this is number 37 on the Benchmark 4 review packet. I see multiplication here, and I see a variable expression to both sides. So I'm going to have to use the product rule. So for example, I'm going to call this u and this v. So my derivative is going to be u times v prime plus v times u prime, like that. So then y prime, u is going to be x squared, v prime, the derivative of cosecant, starts with co, so what am I going to start with? A negative. I reviewed this for a little while, so times the negative. Derivative of cosecant is cosecant cotangent. Then I have to copy down what's inside, which is the 5x. You have to copy it in both spots. Then you multiply by the derivative of 5x. This is the chain rule at work here. Derivative of 5x is 5, so times by 5. So far this is what I have this part done, u times v prime. Any questions about that? All right, plus, now I go to v, which is cosecant 5x, times u prime. The derivative of x squared would be 2x. So there's your answer. If you had that on your test, you should get full credit. But here's how you could simplify it. We could look for what these two terms have in common. So this plus separates this into two terms. Looks like they both have a cosecant of 5x in them, and they both have an x. So let's factor out an x out of both of them, and let's factor out a cosecant of 5x out of both of them. And then whatever I have left, I'll put in parentheses. So let's see, if I take out one of the x's, there'd still be an x here. It'd still be a 5, it'd still be a negative, so I'm going to call this negative 5x right here. It'd still be a cotangent of 5x here. So I just took out one of these x's and took out this cosecant of 5x, and everything else I copied down. Here I take out an x and a cosecant of 5x, so I just have a 2 here. That would be a simplified answer. 37. Anybody want to see like 36, 38, or 39, any of those? I guess I don't know if you even have to do all those. But
You always do 37.
what's that?
37 and 38.
Okay.
For 38,
Uh-huh.
you have 8 to the negative x times natural log of 8 times negative 1.
Right.
Can we just have negative 8 to the negative x?
Yes, that's fine. Yep. Well, I just put that one up here quick. Just a reminder that derivative of a to the u, this is a formula that will be on your formula sheet. You don't have to memorize this one. Is a to the u times the natural log of a times the derivative of u. So on 38, if y equals a to the negative x, then your derivative, dy over dx, will just be 8 to the negative x times the natural log of 8. 8 is your a in this problem. And then times the derivative of negative x, which would be negative 1. And she asked, can I just put the negative out in front? And that's, yes, you can. You just call it negative 8 to the negative x times natural log of 8.